Welcome! Today, we're diving into a quick and easy guide on how to disable the left side panel in Google Chrome on your PC, especially after the latest update. If you find the side panel distracting, or simply prefer a cleaner browsing experience, follow these simple steps. First, open your Chrome browser. This is where all the magic begins. Once you have it open, look towards the top right corner of your browser window. Here you'll see 3 vertical dots. This is the menu icon that gives you access to various settings. Next, click on the 3 dots. A drop-down menu will appear, revealing several options. From this menu, scroll down until you see Settings. Click on it to enter the Settings menu. Once you're in the Settings menu, look for the Appearance section on the left sidebar. Click on it to access appearance-related options for your Chrome browser. This section allows you to customize how Chrome looks and behaves. Now here comes the crucial step. Under the Side Panel option, you'll see a setting that allows you to choose where the side panel appears. To disable it from showing on the left, simply select Show on Right from the drop-down menu. This action will move the side panel to the right side of your screen, giving you more space and a less cluttered view on the left. After making this change, it's a good idea to check if everything looks good. You can close the Settings tab and continue browsing with your new layout. If at any point you want to revert back or make further adjustments, just repeat these steps. And there you have it. You've successfully disabled the left side panel in Google Chrome and moved it to a position that suits your preference better. Enjoy a more streamlined browsing experience with fewer distractions. Thanks for watching.